Hey, this is Mike Reed coming to you with a video made on September 18th, 2023. This video today is going to talk about business opportunity with Rico's Pizza. Rico's Pizza has been in the industry trades, stating that they would like to rapidly expand their footprint. For those of you who are new to the business, my recommendation is to get with a chain that is just starting. This way, you're not stepping on any toes, you're not creating any problems in your market. It's a win-win situation. So let's get into it with Rico's. First, I'm going to start you off with a Dave Portnoy video. This is what he rated the pizza.
All right, Frankie.
Fair use.
Still in
Fair
Stanford,
use.
trying to do, when you take a trip on a train, you try to hit them all. All the places people recommend. Riko's Pizza, Stanford, Connecticut. Well, Colony Grill was packed. Riko's is empty. Oh, by the way, the train, Frankie. Listen, I don't want to brag. I wasn't even going to bring it up because I'm not bragging. Old lady in front of me struggling with her suitcase on the escalator.
Old
So this is
island
just
lady.
Stanford's thing? Just bar pizza? I love bar pizza. A little bit bigger than the Colony one. A little, I would
Fair
say,
use.
greasier. Clearly, the hometown favorites like Colony because this place had no one in it this time. One bite, everybody knows the rules. Ooh. That thing's like as firm as can be. Zero flaw. You thought I was going to make a dick joke. I didn't. You saw
Now, I don't know what kind of
I made it.
equipment they're
You
going to
thought
be
I was gonna
using
make a
in
dick
these
joke. I didn't. Get your
pizza
head out of the gutter.
chains.
One bite, everybody knows the rules. Riko's with the K. It's pretty fucking good.
So there it is.
I don't like all the sauce, but it's pretty fucking good.
There you have it. He rates it
Paper
like
thin.
an 8.1 or
Paper thin.
8.2.
I can be honest, Frankie. I've heard so much about Colony Grill, and it was very good. I've heard nothing about Riko's. Nothing. Riko's can get in the ring with Colony Grill. They can swing. They can trade haymakers in the middle of the ring, see who falls first. It's a little greasier, but on looks, it doesn't necessarily taste greasier. I'm fine with this being.
So he likes everything about it. 8.2?
8.2?
8.2, yeah.
Listen,
So
you can look me in the face.
So this video got 1.1 million views just 4 years ago. And so they're planning for a rapid expansion. Let's jump right into it. They're going to be franchising this all up and down the East Coast, going up to Boston, Albany, New York, Philly, DC, all you people that follow me that's in the DC area, as well as North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Florida, and would you looky here, Texas, which more than likely means Dallas and Houston. Maybe starting with Houston first. We'll see. So this actually affects me as well as you. Let's get into some information here. Let me see if I can get you. So this is the franchise information to get yourself logged in. Oh, you guys can't see. Sorry about that. You guys can't see. So here it is from the franchise portion of Rico's website. We are offering franchise opportunities in Boston, Albany, Philly, DC, as well as territories in North and South Carolina, Georgia, Florida, and Texas. Now, here's the contact information so that they can have you in their list of service providers when they build out these locations. So it's going to be Rico's Franchise Corp. Phone number is going to be 203 504 8183. That's 203 504 8183 in Stamford, Connecticut. Rico has been rated enjoyable. It's going to be good representation of Connecticut pizza. We all know there's tons of Connecticut people that live in Florida. They go down there in the winter. They go down to North to South Carolina in the winter. So it's a lot of opportunity. You could jump in there, be there first. Be there first to take care of their whatever refrigeration that they have. If they have an ice machine, take care of that, and especially to be there for the ovens. Maybe you might get involved with setting up, or you could just be there for the maintenance portion of it. All right. So one of my sources for this was, let's see here. Let me show you here. Today's Restaurant, the Food Service Industry Authority. So they had a nice little article about Rico's Pizza and their expansion. 10 locations, 3 cities, starting in the first quarter of 2024. And let's go back. Sorry about that. We'll go back to the first page. So yeah, that was actually on page 1. So that was first page news. So they go into a lot of it about the owner, the whole nine. It's a good opportunity. I'm actually going to jump on this as well for when the day comes that they do enter the Houston market. All right, so that's Rico's Pizza. I've given you guys the contact information. Uh, Best of luck.